The track looks pretty good. Definitely horse show going on now. So, nice. Anyhow, guys, I'm gonna turn around and head back home. See what you guys think for the morning. So the morning of here, I hope that camera is focused. I can't tell, but we got a wet spot up here by the sled. You can see it's a low spot. There is, let's see, let's get the high gear here. A wet spot down here at the corner of the blocks. There's still a wet spot here where me and Alex fixed that, and it is wet there. I can see that. A wet spot here. Two wet spots here. The rest of this seems pretty good. It looks like there's a couple spots where it's land. So I think I'm going to do a little bit more work here, but I don't want to do too much. It's not bad. Looks pretty good considering we did a bunch of major dirt work here last weekend. There's a big hole dug here and halfway up along here. So I think we'll be okay. That's kind of watch these wet spots, move some more dirt. So here we go. Brake fluid still sitting on it. I believe that's about the longest pull I ever taped, anyhow. Making the old Super C grunt. Alright, so Test and Tune 2.0.
Ready?
New slave cylinder, new box
Stage.
caliper. All the sitting panes from winter. So yeah.
It's staged now.
Trying to get the
It says
distance.
ready, that's it.
Trying to get the distance meters set
Well,
up now.
mine's staged, so once I start, yours should pick it up. I hope so.
Nice pull.
206, 624.
206 feet. That was pretty good. Alright. You guys want to just see a full round here?
206. Yes,
Tom on the Super C is doing the pullbacks, and Gary is rolling. If we need it, I'm here to help. So we'll do one full rotation here. I'll show you guys a hot lap. I only got 3 bars of battery, so we're using the fast hitch on the Super C. Tyler drives away. Apparently the transmission repairs
back
work.
at 3 mile an hour.
A whole 3, huh?
You're like 3.1 now.
High speed.
Tell me that's where that thing's supposed to pull.
Yeah.
That was a good pass there. I'm so happy and proud of myself.
About 230 on a whole cycle. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, by the way. What was the distance?
258.3.
Alright, thank you. 258.3. What'd you find there? Flip out of something, huh?
I seen it going down the track.
Huh. Alright.
How was that? I put the fucking tractor right into the wheel.
Yeah. There's 250 something. Hey, we found a clip in the track, by the way. So malfunction number 3. Brake line meets box. Luckily we didn't break it.
Well, it ripped the existing zip ties off.
Did it?
Alright. Yeah, so we gotta pull that fucking thing down and zip tie it.
Yeah.
Pull it back, we'll fix it.
I'll get some zip ties out of my truck. Tom's the only one getting anything done. It did grow since I mowed last week. to read the distance that time?
194.8.
Okay, I'm going to hit the save button. .9 mile an hour too.
Not bad for a rookie.
Amateur hour is going to be somewhere.